BabyBus.
Daddy, we're going out!
Play safe, kids! Da-da-dee-da-da-da-da. Little fish, this is for you! Huh? What's wrong? Oh no! It's an earthquake! I need to hide with my emergency bag! Found it!
Huh? Emergency!
Warning, warning, earthquake. Buildings are collapsing. Emergency rescue needed.
Super Rescue Team, let's go! Super Rescue Team! Everyone, protect your head and go to an open place!
Oh no! We're blocked!
Nothing can stop Super Strong Hank!
Whoa!
Everyone, follow me! It's safe here. There still are people trapped inside the collapsed building. Let's go save them. Okay. Super Rescue Team! My dad hasn't come out of there yet! Don't worry, we're gonna find him! Launch drones! Activate life detection!
Life signals detected.
Huh? Let's split up! Okay!
Okay.
Oh no! It's about to break! I need something to support it! Phew! Goodness! My children!
Hey! Mr. Turtle!
Finally, I'm safe.
This way, please.
Super Rescue Team, have you seen my children? They went out before the earthquake hit.
Daddy! We're here!
Ah, you're safe. That's great.
Mr. Hamster, are you okay there?
Ouch!
Are you hurt? Daddy! Oh,
I'm fine. Just a little hungry.
sir, do you have an emergency bag?
Yes, I do.
There's water, food, medicine, and a first aid kit.
I'm feeling much better.
Sir, to save electricity, we'll hang up the phone for now. Take care of yourself.
Okay. I need to treat my foot.
Oh, life signals are coming from there. Hurry!
They found something! It must be Daddy!
Watch me.
Super Rescue Team!
Give us your hands!
Thank you for saving me.
I'll take you to a safe place.
It's Mr. Donkey! What about our Daddy?
No signals detected. Mr. Hamster might be trapped in a deeper place.
Mr. Hamster, we're doing our best to find you. Please conserve your energy until we come.
Okay. Oh no! My phone will turn off soon.
Remember, if you can hear us, make noise to help us find you.
I'll do that.
You're brave, Daddy! Hang in there, Daddy!
Daddy will be fine. Kids, Daddy... Daddy loves you.
He's not here! Not here either!
It's empty. Oh, my foot. Oh. Oh, oh. Oh.
You're brave, Daddy! Hang in there, Daddy!
I'll never let you down. Oh, I'm so hungry. I need to find some food and water. It's bread. Oh, I hear water. Oh, oh, oh. Great! It's Super Rescue Team! I'm here! That's it! The whistle!
Mr. Hamster! Mr. Hamster! Listen, a sound is coming from over there. Huh? He's right below here. Hurry, Hank!
Got it!
Super Rescue Team! I'm here!
It's Mr. Hamster! We're coming! Huh? Mr. Hamster! I'll be right there!
Oh no! It's an aftershock!
Ah!
Huh? Watch out! Super speed!
Super Rescue Team is back! Oh, it's Daddy! Daddy! We were so worried about you!
Super Rescue Team saved me! And I didn't give up because of you. Thanks.
Daddy!
That's
right!